Hey everyone, you know how AI chatbots like ChatGPT are pretty cool, but what if we could make them even more powerful? What if we could connect them to the internet, let them use calculators, search through your documents, or even control other apps? That's where LangChain comes in. It's like giving superpowers to AI. Let's dive in and see how it works. What is LangChain? LangChain is like a toolkit that helps developers build super smart AI applications. Imagine you have a really smart friend who can answer questions, but they are stuck in a room with no internet, no calculator, and no access to your files. LangChain is like giving them a smartphone, a calculator, a library card, and keys to all your apps. It's basically a way to connect AI models to the real world, so they can do much more than just chat. The chain in LangChain works like a recipe or assembly line. Instead of doing everything at once, it breaks complex tasks into smaller steps and connects them together like links in a chain. Let's say you ask, what is the weather like in the city where the Eiffel Tower is located? The irregular AI might get confused, but LangChain follows 3 steps. Step 1, figure out where the Eiffel Tower is. That's Paris. Step 2, look up the current weather in Paris. Step 3, give you a nice answer. Each step is a link in the chain, and they work together to solve problems that would be impossible for a basic AI. LangChain gives AI access to different tools. Think of them as apps on a smartphone. Here are the main ones. Prompts. These are like instruction manuals that tell the AI exactly how to behave. Instead of just saying, answer this question, you can say, act like a helpful teacher and explain this step by step. Memory. Regular AI forgets everything after each conversation, but LangChain can give it memory. It's like giving the AI a notebook to write down important things and remember them later. Tools and agents. This is where it gets really cool. The AI can use calculators for math, search the web for current information, read your documents, or even send emails. It's like having a digital assistant that can actually do things, not just talk about them. Data connections. LangChain can connect to databases, spreadsheets, websites, and more. It's like giving the AI access to every filing cabinet and library in the world. Let's see LangChain in action. Imagine you are working on a school project about climate change, and you ask, help me write a report on recent climate data and what experts are saying. Here are 6 points that happens behind the scenes. 1. Planning. LangChain breaks this into smaller tasks. Find recent climate data, find expert opinions, organize into a report. 2. Web search. It searches for the latest climate statistics and news. 3. Document analysis. It reads through scientific papers and articles. 4. Memory check. It remembers what it found from previous searches. 5. Report generation. It puts everything together into a well-organized report. 6. Quality review. It double-checks facts and makes sure everything makes sense. All of this happens automatically. You just get an amazing, well-researched report. LangChain is revolutionizing how we use AI because it makes AI actually useful for real tasks. Instead of just chatting, AI can now help with research, customer service, data analysis, creative projects, and so much more. It's like the difference between having a pen pal and having a super-powered personal assistant. So there you have it. LangChain takes AI from being just a smart conversationalist to being a powerful problem solver that can actually get things done in the real world. The future of AI is not just about chatting. It's about AI that can truly help us accomplish our goals. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech explanations that actually make sense.